What's up, y'all? What's going on, man? I'm making this video. It might be a sad day, man. It might be a sad day. I know y'all saying the title by now. Man, the scat might be gone, man. The scat might be gone. I'm on my way to the dealership to see what these numbers like. Well, I already got the check from my credit union, but we never talked about the warranty. But I kept telling him, man, I'm like, I need a warranty, and he still did the bill of sale. So I mean, I don't know, but we gonna see when I get there what they talking about. Cause I applied for a certain amount with my credit union, and I got approved for it. It was a little bit more than what the bill of sale was, but that wasn't including the warranty. So I mean, unless they just gonna throw it in, I ain't gonna trade it in. But I mean, we'll see. It's been kind of difficult, man. They tried to finesse me, but I know what I'm doing, so you know I couldn't let that happen. Man, I'm in bad traffic right now on my way. Basically, it was easier to finance through my credit union with them anyway. It was too much back and forth. But it was a certain number on the bill of sales. I wasn't gonna apply for finance through my credit union, but I ended up doing it, and the numbers was better than what they was giving me anyway. So I mean, we on our way to the dealership now. I gotta take some of the stuff out this car though. They only bought the car. They ain't bought all this extra stuff. This catch can I put on. I'm gonna have to see what that was like. That joint been on for like a month now. Some wheel locks, other little stuff like decals and stuff. I ain't gonna worry about that. And like this, that, like they could keep that. These full mats, I paid for them, but they could keep them too. I got the fresh joints, the OEM joints, carpet joints in the house. I just sell them, I guess. I took this off. I might just put it back on though, cause I think the Calm Getting got a different pair, so they can keep them. But that, see the dead pedal and the e-brake, I bought them, but they could keep that too. But anyways, the reason I might be trading my car, well, I'm trading my car in. I just don't know if I'm gonna trade it in at this dealer with this car, based on what they talking about warranty. Always get a warranty, man. I'm not doing that 30-day 1,000. Nah, can't fade. But yeah, I might be trading my car out because I got a new job recently, so I'm making a little bit more money, but my living situation might change, so I need to free up a little bit more money. And what I'm looking at a 300S with the 5.7 Hemi. I'm looking at that. I was looking at a Jaguar Portfolio V8 and a Ford Taurus show with the twin turbo. But right now I'm going to look at the 300S with the V8, just to free up some money so I can save a little bit. Cause like I said, my living situation could possibly be changing, and I'm not one of those people that's doing paycheck to paycheck. That ain't really been me, so I ain't gonna start now. So no, I might not have the scat, man, after the day. But yeah, everybody who know me know I always wanted the 300, the SRT8. I just can't really find them in the DMV area. for a good price, good numbers, good miles. So I'm gonna just go ahead and probably either the 300S or the 300C John Varvatos with the V8, the full tour show, or just Jaguar. But we're gonna see, man. But yeah, basically my living situation might be changing, so I need to free up money in order to be able to live, man. So if I make any of those moves, I should be saving about $200, maybe a little bit more. So I mean, that's gonna add up. But if I get the car today, I'm gonna make another video show with the oil catch can, what it got up in there, all the BS it caught up in there within that last month. Cause I'm taking that off, they ain't keeping that. But yeah, I'm gonna have that video. I might make a separate one. Might add it onto the back of here. But yeah, the videos ain't gonna stop though. 300S with the V8 with the 5.7. It ain't as fast as this, of course, but it still got some speed to it. A little more luxury, more my style anyway. And to be honest, I was getting tired of this.
In half a mile, exit right.
My bad. I don't know where I'm at. But yeah, I was getting tired of this Scat Pack, man, because I see too many Chargers on the road, and then it's not really me. Like, it's real aggressive looking, but I'm like an in between. I want a little speed, and I want the luxury. Hence why my favorite car is the 300 SRT8. But I mean, like I said, I couldn't find them, and when I seen this, I was geeked up. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm about to go grab this for the low too. But I mean, yeah, it don't got no features, no sunroof, no memory seats. It ain't really me. Like, I want speed and I want power. I mean, I want speed and I want luxury. I want comfortability. It's comfortable and all, but it don't got the memory seats. It don't got no convenience features. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, but if you know me, you know what car I always wanted. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna either add the catch can on the end of this video or make a separate one. But the 300, the Charger, the Scatty, she definitely gone. Just might not be this deal. So if not, I'll make an update. But if so, you'll see the new car soon.